you recover soon. Miss you and see you pag ulit. Bye-bye. Brian.
Happy birthday, Jans. My dad yung awas pa naman. See you soon. We don't know, pero yaman kami permission mga friends mo. Kami may da Jazel at kay Sandy. Nato sige ang pabasol kong gawas may kikid ka ron. Basta enjoy mo lang tuwing adlaw. Happy birthday.
Hi Jancy, happy birthday. I wish you good health and hopefully you recover as soon as possible para makawara mo man kita at makapagkape not just here in Manila but syempre sa New Zealand. And syempre next year makadatihan nyo lang kita and hopefully na makawara kita. My only wish for you is to recover as soon as possible para maging happy ang tanan. And I love you, Jans, and see you next month. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Jans. I wish you all the best and more blessings. Good health. Love you. Na-advance na akong pag-adto ko na, ha? Walang gitna. Eksakto sa yung mga birthday. Pero, at least nagkita kita. I missed you. Love you. Mama. Chup chup.
Happy birthday, Jens. You're one of the toughest people I know, and you handle everything with so much strength, and your strength always inspires me. We've been friends for so long, and I didn't say it enough, but I'm incredibly grateful for our friendship. Just know that I'm grateful for you and always here whenever you need. Love you!
Okay, ready? Rolling! Happy birthday, Jans! Siyempre, hindi na mapapirthday. Kailangan ko man mag-bright, solo nga birthday greeting. Pero yan lang sa room, ang akong background paintings. So, per day na ako ni Zik sa ano pa background. Apparently, effort ko, pag-i-share ni Jassel, pag-i-share ko ano yung background, Pero yes, I just wanna greet you happy and healthy year, more years to come. How old are we? We're gonna be 32, pero still looking young. Pero hindi na doesn't feel like it. Ako nag-prepare it speech. So whatever laro ako mahamba, hopefully may sense. Sa Pasko uwa, di uwa. So sila na akong so 2 days ago, Friday night, nagtanong ako it concert, second-hand serenade. Syempre, tanaw kita dahil dumaan ang kanta ay nauso sa atong kapanahunan, emo days. Pero, he's touring for his 20th anniversary, so I was doing the math. Apparently, we've been friends for 20 long years, 20 decades, with jams, grabe. Ay, medyo nag-throwback man ako. Like, grabe ato niya pinagdaanan sa atong friendship from, highs and lows, heartaches, heartbreaks, love life, from Nini Yagit days, Niwang days, to tita being trentahin, from high school years, like sleepover, tapos naging college, or naging roommates kita, and then adulting, job, from being there 24/7 kita nga nag-iba to once in a blue moon lang mag-iba dahil syempre we're miles apart, pero every time low-key, very low-key with ato na low-key and low maintenance atong friendship. Kasi kahit you know, once every 1 year or every year or every 2 years ang kita gakita ay wa man gyapon pinagpagawa to niya mag-iba kita, you know, same ang gihapon atong mga kagagahan itong mga trip. So, yes, grabe yung mga milestones and, you know, our friendship with Jams and syempre sa atong pang mga ibang barkada, ibang mga friends, sa Lulers, sa Pops, our friendship is getting stronger. We're always there for each other. So I'm very, 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 very blessed, good, and very grateful, good. Again, you know, whatever happened in the past happened because everything happens for a reason. So I would really not change anything. Pa-beauty queen ang answer, pero yeah, like, kidding aside, I would not change anything because it made us, you know, like, it made me become close to you, naging close ako kinyo, naging barkada kita. Look at where we at now. We're still there for each other. So yes, I just wanna wish you good health, a fast recovery, for you to fully recover. And I know you're strong, you're very, very strong. Kaya believe yun ang prayer mo. So padayon na yun doon. We're always here praying for you, and we're always here to support you. So basigya good sa pag-uli kung makawarang kita or you know maka-travel kita somewhere. Kasi kita mabakasyon or hopefully maka-watch concerts and all, maka-food trip agad. Basigya yun. But yes, pero for now, focus na sa imong health magpamayad din ikaw agad ma-achieve natin do ato mga plans. Then hopefully you're enjoying your birthday celebration right now. Sakpan niyo na ako kaon it lechon una. Bawi lang ako sa sunod. What else? Yeah, I'm always here for you, kid. Remember that. Yeah. So again, happy birthday, Jans. Hopefully, may sense kita ako greetings nila. Pero yes, we'll see you soon. Yeah, miss you, love you very much. Always here. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jancy. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
Say happy birthday? Happy birthday!
Say happy birthday.
Okay, blow the candle. Let's say bye. See you. Flying kiss. Happy birthday, Jans.
Birthday!
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.